welcome to the gasper. I am just doing another video. Okay guys, so I guess I am just doing a vlog today, pretty much. Okay guys, so this used to be the living room. So now this is my brother's room, of course. Well, my uncle builded a wall next to the stairwell and stuff like that. So, I mean, the whole thing was the living room. So now my uncle put the wall by the door and stuff. So that way it's just a little hallway next to the stairs and stuff. Yep, and this door opens, of course. Well, I'm not gonna open it. Well, my brother ain't even home, and I don't want to violate my brother's privacy because all my brother's possessions are in there. Okay, guys, I am just going to the backyard. Casey. Yeah, she has a stick with her. Casey! Casey, give me your stick. Casey, give me your stick. Come on, see it? When Casey has her stick, she never listens, pretty much. Yeah, don't you, Casey? You never... man, I was trying to get the stick from her. But it looks like she caught it. Okay, guys. Since I've been doing YouTube for the past 3 years now, so now when I publish new YouTube videos, when I'm editing my videos, I really take my time when I'm editing the videos, trimming, cutting stuff out of the videos and stuff. When I'm editing my videos, I really don't rush when I'm editing my videos or anything. I don't rush when editing, and I just don't upload it and throw it away, of course. I always take pride in what I'm editing, publishing on my YouTube channel. So guys, I hope 20 of y'all enjoyed my Kylo Ren versus Ezra video. I hope you really enjoyed that one because I've been putting a lot of time and effort into it. And I will try to do more Star Wars reviews. And I will do my best. Maybe I'll vlog towards it while I'm doing it, of course, because I heard that I'm supposed to upload every day, maybe every week or something, because I know what you've been seeing from my channel and stuff like that. I've been uploading every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, and stuff like that. Maybe almost a month or something. So guys, I will do my best to try to do more videos and stuff like that. So if there's any video that you would like me to make, just comment or message me on Facebook about that type of stuff. Okay guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, you should make sure to click that subscribe button if you're new. Alright, follow me on Instagram and Facebook, hit like and subscribe. Bye.